Thank you.
Man, you cooking them all. Are you clipping or are they just a lot of power?
No, they're seeing about 4.5, 5K a piece.
See, man, yeah.
And it's not even the power that's really killing them because it's not on it for that long.
Yeah. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Well, your car's low.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
It's a little tight.
It's okay. Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Coby. I have two ZV515s on two BC 4Ks.
4Ks. What are you wired to?
Half on both.
Okay. Are they strapped or separate game modes?
Separate game mode shop.
And two 6?
Yeah, they're two 6x11s.
Nice.
It's tuned right about 37, and the peak in here is 38.
38 hertz? Okay, so high 30s. What did you meter out of it?
I have gotten a 54.3 in the kick.
Okay.
I've been a couple down this entire time. On all around, I just got about a 150 average.
Okay. What does all around mean?
You have to play like a beatboxing track. It can't just be a straight tone. And
really?
They take the average of your score and the kick, headrest, and windshield.
Got it.
For 30 seconds. Makes
sense. So that's an average. Okay. Got it.
They're seeing about 4.5, 5K a piece.
See, man. Yeah.
And it's not even the power that's really killing them because it's not on it for that long.
Yeah.
It's just the box is about 3 cubes per, which is real small for these.
It doesn't allow the sub cone to cool.
Yeah, it doesn't really allow it to cool. So even though it smells like it's hot, it really
Yes, sir.
it's not even hot.
Wow. Can I see the amp rack in the back too?
Oh yeah. It's a little messy. I need to clean it up.
Is this Yang Long?
Yeah, it's a 120 amp hour and a 240 amp hour bank.
Really? Oh wow. Okay.
And then S4 for mids and highs and two 4Ks stacked on top of each other.
Sweet. Your battery bank's on par. It looks good. The electrical didn't drop below like low 14s.
Yeah.
Full tilt. That was good. Looks good.
My plan is to try and push that battery back, take everything out.
On everybody, this is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of Coby's system he was showcasing at the Summer Showcase Jacksonville, Florida show. Go ahead and let him know what you think about his system by commenting and hitting the like button. He did a really good job, and he actually was making the sub smell a little bit of smoke at the end of the demo you're going to see. So this is a total of 8,000 watts between the two amplifiers. So these definitely pushing all the power to the sub, and the amount of lithium, I was impressed to see he fit inside of this trunk. So he's already mentioned what the specs were early on. If you missed it, check out previous in the video. And I like the layout of his amp rack in the back of the trunk, so he doesn't have to worry about any vibration issues with this 15-inch subwoofer system in his Scion. And the way he has his subwoofers right behind the seat, so you have to always be careful not to have your seats bump the subs. I always try to check that before the demo. Have gotten demos where we do have that issue. And it's very unique that he made arrow ports instead of a slot port there. A little bit less cone area to port area ratio than maybe optimal for two 15-inch subs, but he got the job done in his Scion. And if you notice the way he has his speaker and tweener mount box panel on top of the box, so it kind of gives you a good view for the music range as well as the bass. So during the demo, you're going to see that. And the way he has his headrest removed. Sometimes removing headrest actually do help SPL scores. If anybody didn't know that, now you know. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button with notification bell on for daily car audio videos coming your way every day on Jacob Vile, as well as check me out on other social media. Enjoy.
Fuck that hoe, cause she a nut. You ain't the one for me, baby. You ain't got shit I need, bitch. You want me to take my time with you, or maybe I'm not your speed, bitch. Maybe I'm not your lead, bitch. bitch. You ain't got no cheese, bitch. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too screed, bitch. I can even. Speed, bitch. Maybe I'm out your league, bitch. You ain't got no cheese, bitch. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too screed, bitch. I can even roll.
Man, you cooking them all. Are you clipping or are they just a lot of power?
No, they're seeing about 4.5, 5K a piece.
See, man, yeah.
And it's not even the power that's really killing them,
Yeah.
because it's not on it for that long.
Yeah.
It's just, the box is about 3 cubes per, which is real small for these.
It doesn't allow the sub cone to cool.
Yeah, it doesn't really allow it to cool. So even though it smells like it's hot,
Yeah.
it really,
Yes, sir.
it's not even hot.
Wow. So, thank you for the demo.
Appreciate the demo. Looks good.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.